Welcome to Padu Motivations. Today I'm going to show you how to remove some minor scratches on your Tesla. This happens to be a Tesla Model 3, but we're going to show you how to do it using the Tesla paint repair kit that you can get right online at tesla.com. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how I'm going to repair some little minor scratches. This is one of them. I don't know what happened there. I don't know if someone backed into me or whatever, but it's a minor scratch, so we're gonna touch that up. I'm gonna show you how to do that. And also some other little scratches. This is probably my fault. I don't know if I hit the garage door when I was closing it. So we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is the Tesla paint repair kit. Comes in a box like this. Let's open it up. This happens to be a midnight silver metallic, as it says right here. That's the color of my paint. And there's actually a paint code to figure out what type, the exact color. And you find that paint code right at the hinge of the driver door, which we'll check out right now. Okay, so let's open up the door and to find out the exact paint color that you need so it matches up perfectly. You're gonna go right to the hinge of the door. And you see that code right there? That is Midnight Silver Metallic. If you don't know that, you can actually put that in Google and it'll actually tell you that that's the metallic silver. Now we're all set. Okay, so this is the Tesla paint repair kit. It comes with instructions number 1. You got the instructions. I just highlighted some areas that I thought was important. It comes in English and all other languages right here, so it comes with that. It also comes with a microfiber cloth right here. Okay. You got that. And then you have some gloves. They highly recommend you using gloves, so I'll probably use the gloves since it's recommended. Okay, and you have the cloth to blend things with, and we'll get to that in a second. And it looks like here you have a couple of brushes. See, you got a really small detail that looks like here, and then you have another wider brush right here. Okay, you got that. You actually have the paint itself. They highly recommend you shake it up nice and well before you even use it. So you have the actual paint itself right here. And then you have the blending solution. And this we're going to use to wipe around the affected area once we actually put the paint on there. So I'm going to show you that as well. And then you have a squeegee. And this squeegee you're actually going to use once you dab the paint. You're going to use that to smooth it out to get a nice finish there. Okay? So it's time to get to work. Let's go ahead and fix this paint chip. All right, so Tesla recommends, first of all, you want to just wipe this nice and clean. Get rid of any dirt, debris, oil, grease. It's also said that you may want to use a little bit of alcohol just to make sure. So I'm going to make sure this area is nice and clean. Okay, so that's good. Everything looks good. And I'm also going to do this side too. I actually pre-prepped this already, so I'll just wipe it down right here. So you can see that spot right here. I really don't like that spot, so we're going to take care of that quick, okay? Okay, so let's get the paint. As you can see, I already have my gloves on. This is Midnight Metallic Silver. It's basically gray. Shake it up nice and well. And I'm going to open it up. Down right here. And I think for this, instead of using a bigger brush like this, and again, I've never done this before, but I think I'm going to use this small little one because we have some really small scratches. So let's come over here. So I'm just going to dip it in here like so. Okay, I'll just dip it in like so. And then just dab it. Oh yeah, just dab it on there, nice. You know what, that's looking good already. Dab it again right here, nice and easy. And remember, and this dries pretty quick, so let's do it like that. Looks like some other ones, okay. What you want to do is with the squeegee, you just want to swipe. You just want to swipe it just like that. Nice and even. Swipe, swipe. You don't want to wait too long because this dries pretty quickly. And you can always do another application. So far it looks like this took pretty good. Okay. All right, that's looking good already. Okay, so now I'm going to take the blending solution that came with and just open this up. I can get it open. And all you want to do is you want to put a little bit on a nice clean cloth that came with the kit. Okay, and what you want to do is you don't want to put the blending solution right on the chip itself. You want to put it around it. Just want to kind of dab it around it a little bit. Dab it around the area. It's kind of, everything is nice and flat. You just dab it. Okay. Okay, so there you have it. See, and what you want to do, if this didn't apply, remember these are really small chips. Some of you guys who have owned Tesla might have bigger chips than this. So you may want to do this again. If it doesn't take the very first time, do it again, do the same process all over again and it should work. And as you can see, this actually didn't do a bad job at all. It actually looks much better. Okay, so if you look from a distance, it's not too bad, not too bad at all. So, but what I think I'm going to do is I think I'm going to put one more application on it. Okay, so let's do another application on it. So here's the other application. So put a little dab right there because it looks like I want it kind of perfect. Put that like that. Put it on there like that. Oh yeah. And then then we're going to take that squeegee and just kind of flatten it out. So we'll take the squeegee and you want to do a nice smooth strokes here. Nice and smooth. Man, that looks better already. That looks better already. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, then with the blending solution again, we're going through the same process we did before. You really just want to kind of dab. Just want to dab around it, wiping all of that excess paint away. Okay. Actually didn't do too bad of a job. Yeah. It's not perfect, but to me it sure looks a lot better than it did. Okay, and there you have it for this one. Now this other nick is a little bit deeper, so I'm going to show you how we're going to fix that. And if you look at this, you got the little chip, and then above it and below it, it looks like some paint is kind of messed up a little bit. So we're going to take care of that as well. Okay, and again, we're going to go through the same process. I'm just going to dip this in here like so. And then we want to go right here. If you can look in here, I really just want to dab it nice and smooth. That looks better already. Gee whiz. That looks better already. All right, so we got it. There we go. See, it's better to dab than to swipe, because as you can see, that works pretty good like that. Then you just let it sit maybe for just a minute. You don't want to let it dry too much. And then you just want to do one smooth stroke. See, as you can see, it didn't cover completely. Okay, you just do a smooth stroke. Wipe off any excess. A nice smooth stroke. It's looking good already. Now we're going to use the blending solution. Okay, now we're going to use the blending solution. And again, we're just going to dab right around the affected area. So we're just going to dab around it. Okay. Then you just dabbing, you're not wiping it. There we go. Okay. So there you have it. Now, if you really take a good look, it's still not covered completely. So guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna do another application. Okay, and we're just gonna do one more application. Oops, fellas, okay. So I'm gonna just dip it in there a little bit. Go right here. Well, I guess I didn't get enough paint on here. Okay, there we go. All right, then you just dip it on there. Okay, that looks better already. Then you want to let it dry for just maybe a few seconds. And then again, we're just going to use the squeegee and do a nice smooth stroke to flatten it and make it nice and smooth. Okay, so we've got that. So as you can see, it's not great, but it's a whole lot better than it's really a whole lot less noticeable for sure. And then what you want to do is okay, so in this section you want to take your microfiber cloth and just wipe it down a little bit. Get it a little bit clean right here. So that, if you can see, that looks a whole lot better than it used to be. It's not perfect, but it works pretty good. Okay, and then we're gonna come over here, and all I'm gonna do is wipe this down a little bit too as well. Okay. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is, you still see a little bit of paint right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit more on there. And this should do it. Sometimes this can take some time, but it's gonna be well worth it. So let's dip. And then we're just gonna put a little bit right there. Nice and smooth. Okay, so that looks good. Go through the same procedure again. With the blending solution. Okay. And you're just gonna go around the area. That's all you want to do. Kind of just dab around the area. Okay. 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 That's not too bad. What do you think, people? Let me know what you think. It didn't do too bad of a job. It didn't take that long. And it makes your car look a lot better. Some people may have larger scratches with this. And it's also good to just have this around just in case. So it seemed to work pretty good, at least I thought. Well, tell me what you think. Please like. And also, if you've got any good information on this video, please subscribe. And we'll see you at the next video. Take care.